There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have a beautiful project to show you. This is a beautiful penthouse located in Lynn Valley, North Vancouver, and I'm planning to show you the whole transformation that we did.
'Cause some people never learn, but they're not gonna watch me burn. 'Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try, but they can never take me down. Ooh, 'cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not.
Let's just start right here. I am standing right at the entry of this house, and the entry is very small and tiny. It had two big closets right here, and as soon as you walk in, you would hit these doors and that's what you would see. And I wanted to look a little bit nicer, so what I did, I removed some part of the closet and gave it to the bathroom, actually, that is behind this wall. So half of the closet technically went toward the bathroom and half of it toward here. And in this nook that I created, I have a beautiful millwork designed, and it's floated. It holds the keys, it holds gloves, it holds the smaller items. I have a pendant on the side, a mirror. So as soon as you walk in, this is what you see. It looks nice, it looks elegant, and it just gets you ready to enter the house. So as soon as you walk in, you walk into the kitchen. The kitchen is very simple and clean lines. The color of like seamless and very clean. We have a lot of white, gray, but warmer tone of gray. On the upper cabinets, we installed LED lights, and that reflects to the ceiling. It makes the upper cabinet look floated and kind of make you ready to walk into the house. Everything is very clean, simple, and give you that serenity feel of the space, and yeah, it looks beautiful. This penthouse had 3 bedrooms, 1 master bedroom and 2 very tiny small bedrooms that they didn't have any function. They were too small for the space. And there was a big huge wall right behind me between the living room and one of the bedrooms. It was making the space very small, and also you weren't able to see the beautiful view that is right behind me. So my client wish list was he wanted to have a kind of a media room, gym, office, guest bedroom, beautiful master bedroom with a king size bed in it. So the wish list was long, and for me to make everything that my client wants, I needed to make a very big changes. So these are the list of things that I did.
Today is going to be the first day that the contractor is going to be there. They actually were there about a couple of days ago to cover up the flooring and just make sure the hallways are covered because they're gonna do major work. Yeah, we're covering everything. We're already starting the demo, and I think it's gonna look fabulous.
First thing that I did, I removed the wall behind me, and that wall was between the living room area and one of the bedrooms, and pushed the wall a little bit further back to give a little bit more space to the living room. And I used that area to add a beautiful electrical fireplace that is long, and I covered it with decked on stone. And on top of that, I have floating shelves that are see-through, and that maximizes the natural light, and you can see the gorgeous view behind it. It also acts as a separation between the living room area and the bedroom. And to give the bedroom privacy, what I did, which I think it was very smart, added a smart glass. And a smart glass, what it does, with one click, you can turn the glass to become frosted, and that way the room can have privacy if needed. I also removed the wall between the 2 bedrooms and combined the 2 rooms to become one, and that way I could have a little bit bigger space to create a media room, have a gym, have an office all in one, combined with a guest bedroom, and that way it just everything would function much nicer and much better. Before I take you to the bedroom, I want to show you a few other things that I did in this area. In here, on my left side, you see a beautiful big art piece. This space is very small, right? So I wanted to maximize the space. I did push this wall about a couple of inches to go inside, just the part that the frame goes in. And then I painted it very, very dark color, added art light on top, and ordered this beautiful custom piece that goes right in. That way it's not sticking out so much. It's almost like a flush with the wall, and it just gives the space a lot of color, which I love. There are other things that I did for this space to make it look spectacular. One of the things that I did, I wanted to enhance the architectural feature of this apartment. It has very high windows, beautiful architecture. It has very high ceiling, a lot of natural light coming to the space, and I wanted to enhance that. But what I did, I added beams, and they're not a structural beam, they're just cosmetic. So I added these beams on a ceiling, 3 of them, that they are continuity of the exterior beams, and from one of them I hang this beautiful pendant that mimicking the shape of the ceiling. So it has all those angles, and it's see-through, so it doesn't block the view. We center that to this dining table that we chose, and it's just grounding this space. It's looking beautiful. Today is a very exciting day because the millwork is getting installed. All the hard work that we did behind the design and behind the scene is coming alive, and today we can see the 3D of our design, which is beautiful. We'll see all these beautiful finishes, and I'm loving this. I'll show you around, I'll show you how things are looking like, and hopefully you love it too. So this is the bar area. And how beautiful is that? Then on the right side of this dining table, I designed this beautiful clean bar. You know, when the apartment is very small, you always need a storage for your dishes, hardwares, and of course, like your liquors. So what I did, this bar basically has asymmetrical look. It does have a section with glass, and that glass part is to showcase all the liquors, but it also has some closed area, and I chose walnut for the wood veneer of this beautiful piece, and it has a lot of clean, sleek cupboard that holds a lot of dishes inside. On top, I have the same stone that I have on a fireplace for continuity, and we ordered this gorgeous custom piece art right here and added a light to shine right on top. I think the whole thing is just beautiful and completes the look of this dining room. This is the part that I'm very excited about because it's not a usual space. I have a desk, I have a bench, I also have a storage area, and the whole thing, it looks very pretty and clean, but then when you can use it as an office space. So as soon as it's finished, I'll show you what I use over there. This is a multifunctional room. It's a gym, it's an office, it is a media room, it's also a guest bedroom. So the way that I designed this, first of all, I came up with this beautiful millwork that is mix of light gray and walnut, and I have this floating shelf with LED light in it and beautiful texture wallpaper behind it for decor. But this is not just decor. This whole thing holds a lot of things, including workout equipment, as well as a desk and a bench. So this drawer opens and becoming a desk, and with the other one opens and become a bench. So it technically is an office and it's like working station. The other side of the room, I do have a couch that can be a bed, as well as a screen that comes out from the window and you can watch TV. The whole room has a blackout blind, so it can make the room darker. We also have bike, because my client exercise here as well. I think this room is small, but honestly, it's functioned very well. It's very clean, well put together, and it does everything that it says. Because I wanted to have a bike here and the room is very small, I decided to have a frosted sliding glass door, and that way it doesn't, there is no swing door to come into the space. So it's just a slide in and it's gonna give the room privacy. The master bedroom of this apartment is my favorite. My client wishes for a king-size bed. This room is very, very small and it was very hard to fit a bed with a nightstand. So we came up with this idea to have a custom designed bed that is attached to the wall, so we can maximize the space, and the nightstand designed to be wall to wall to maximize the storage. The bed that we designed is floated. It has LED light underneath, and we have nightstand on each side from wall to wall. The back wall behind the bed, which is our feature wall, it has all these angles, and that was our inspiration right from the beginning, mimicking the ceiling of the living room. As you imagine, you can see all those lines. We have a beautiful walnut headboard that we stained dark, and to contrast it, we have a gorgeous texture gray wallpaper. It does have a gray, it does have a very light blue texture as well. And with these panels, I have a 1-inch gap between them, and between them I painted a solid gray to kind of create that light and shadow effect. On each side of this bed, I do have pendant hanging, 3 of them on different height, and what it does, it just gives a little bit of light to the texture wallpaper, as well as it lit this space at night. And also, you don't have to have a lamp on each side of the nightstand, which is maximize the space. So we also have reorganized all the closet area. New closet has been designed. All the new organizer, new doors has been designed, and it looks super clean. So we have 2 sides of the hallway that is going toward the master bathroom closet, and everything has organization inside to maximize the space and maximize the storage. Everything that I did in this space, I love. I really love this project. I'm hoping that you love this project too, and you enjoy the process of the whole design and construction, and to the final part as well. Let me know which part of this house you like the most, and I'll definitely see you in my next video.